Hi, this is for a trigger replacement on a DW705 Type 5. Had this saw almost 20 years. Somebody threw a 2x4 and it hit right into the handle. Broke the switch. Still looked perfect, but here the trigger, the switch was broken on the trigger. Looked it up on Amazon, less than $10. It was Superior Electric SW386 Eaton style. I just hit in this DW705 switch replacement, and that's what came up first. Like I said, less than $10, and I was worried about the wiring diagram, but here it matches up with the wiring diagram on the other one, on the new one. 1-to-1 is on the right, is normally open, and that's what this is, normally open. On the left, normally closed, 2-to-2, and that's what this switch is showing, 2-to-2 on the left. Took the wires off the one switch, put them on the other, turned it on, it ran great. I tried it without the yellow and black on. Yeah, the brake doesn't engage without the yellow and black installed. So thought it was great, went to put it on. Well, here I couldn't get the screws in, it was holding it out a little bit. Here there was a piece of plastic between here and here, just a little thin piece of plastic. I was able to shave it right out, cut it on both sides, bent it. It broke out of the way. I thought everything was great, but when you squeeze the trigger, it was hitting, still hitting here, but I just sliced it down. It'd be great to maybe use a file on it, but the knife sliced it right off. I thought everything was great, but here the upper part of the handle was hitting also, and I had to just take a slice out of that. Sliced it, and it fit right on, and it works perfect. I just took it back apart to take this video. The trigger's a lot smaller than the old. It had this big cover. All I did was cut it in half and put it back in here so that it wasn't a big gaping hole. But this was less than $10. They have one for sale. I seen it was around 50 or 60, but this works perfect. And yeah, great replacement. Fantastic fix.